In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Wix site. This guide will walk you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner, so you can easily integrate a search feature into your website. First, you need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is your hub for managing everything from design to content on your site. If you're not familiar with the editor, it's the central tool for building and customizing your Wix website. Once you're here, we're ready to begin the process of adding a search bar. Next, you'll want to click on Add Apps. This will open the Wix App Market, which is full of powerful tools and features for your website, including the search bar we're focusing on today. You'll find a diverse range of apps, each designed to enhance your site functionality. Once you are in the App Market, use the search bar at the top to type in Wix Site Search. This app is specifically built to allow visitors to search through your site's contents, providing a better user experience by making your information more accessible. After typing it in, you'll see Wix Site Search in the results. Click on it to proceed. Upon selecting Wix Site Search, you'll have the option to click Open or Add to Site. Choose this, and the app will be integrated into your site, positioned by default within your page. This is an important step to make the search functionality available to your visitors. After adding the app, it's time to customize it to match your website's needs and aesthetics. Click on Settings. This section allows you to configure how the search bar will behave on your site. You can adjust various functionalities, ensuring it works seamlessly for your visitors. Next, click on Display. This is where you choose how the search bar will look. You can modify aspects such as the visibility on different devices. Remember, a well-displayed search bar is crucial for good user experience, so ensure it aligns nicely with your site's layout. After setting up the display options, proceed to the Layout settings. Here, you can tweak the arrangement of the search bar components, such as button placement and alignment. This customization gives your site a polished and professional look, fitting the overall design theme. Finally, clicking on Design, you can further modify the visual aspects like colors and fonts to ensure it fits perfectly with your website's branding. This personal touch not only enhances aesthetics, but can also improve user interaction by making the search bar visually appealing. And there you have it, your newly added search bar in Wix. By following these steps, you'll enhance your site's usability, making it easier for visitors to find the content they're interested in. If you followed along, you'll now have a fully functional search bar incorporated into your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tips and tutorials.